Good Friday morning, everybody. Jacob Bryant with Weather from Woodlawn here, bringing you all your morning forecast update. We've got quite a bit to talk about. We got some snow moving in, but first, a message from our sponsor. Ariel Crop Care Solutions, LLC, is hiring seasonal help for the months of May through August. They're looking to hire ground crew operators for their aerial application company who are quick to learn, have a passion for helping others, and have experience driving trucks and trailers. A CDL is not required, but is recommended. Great incentive pay with bonuses for those who use their own trucks. You must be willing to be away from home for several weeks at a time. Call 276-733-2678 for more information. All right, we have winter weather advisories in effect for the areas shaded in purple, where we're forecasting 1 to 3 inches of snow. Get my laser pointer. We got 1 to 3 inches of snow, isolated amounts here in the mountains, particularly Grayson, Ashe, Allegheny, Carroll, Floyd counties. Right through here, we might be looking at 2 to 4 inches, and then Johnson County over here in the pink, where there's a winter storm warning, we're looking at anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of snow there. Current temperatures this morning, we're starting to get into the upper 30s, low 40s. Dew points are in the teens and 20s, so the air is dry. A lot of this is probably not reaching the ground. This is the radar as of 11:49 a.m. Take a look at the regional view. We are seeing some heavier bands of snow, and some of this could be reaching the ground in some areas. I do need to get reports back from you all as to what we're seeing, but we're starting to see a line begin to set up, and this is going to push across the region. And some of the heaviest bands, roads are already becoming impacted with snow, particularly probably back roads. Some of the roads up in the city of Roanoke may also begin to start turning snowy there in that heavier band towards Wytheville. Also probably seeing that being the case there. High temperatures today in the 30s, wintry mix and snow. Future Track radar has a very good handle on this storm. Snow is going to begin to push across the region, mixing with rain in our North Carolina counties. And on the front side, high temperatures today in the 30s, again mixing with rain here. Wintry mix expected for everyone today. As we go into this afternoon, into the early overnight, snow's going to continue to push, and it's going to begin to wind down after sunset, actually just after midnight. By Saturday morning, this thing's moved out. We're going to continue with snow showers tonight, low temperatures in the teens and 20s, maybe even the single digits for some. For Saturday, temperatures are only going to get into the teens and 20s, maybe an isolated 30 in North Carolina. Future Track radar keeps us pretty calm for Saturday, but we're going to be very windy. Blowing snow is likely, as some of those gusts are going to top 40 to even 50 miles an hour. On Saturday, high temperatures, again, not getting out of the teens for some, not getting out of the 20s for most of us, maybe an isolated 30 in North Carolina. Blowing snow, estimated wind gusts tomorrow morning, anywhere from 20 to 30, 40 to pushing 50 along the ridge tops here. We could be looking at 50 mile per hour wind gusts. Wind chills dropping down into the below zero range, single digits for many. These pinks are looking at -10, -15, so it's going to be a cold one. Wind chill advisories are in effect for part of the region. Wind chill alerts actually show up on this winter map, and the winter weather advisories are taking precedence over that currently. But I do believe there's a wind chill advisory in this region right around here. See if I can draw for you. So I think that the wind chill advisory looks something like that. And this area is where that wind chill advisory is, if I am correct. Then we take a look at Future Track snow. We're not looking at very much snow. Again, some areas could be pushing a couple 3 to 4 inches, but for the most part, quick dusting to up to 3 inches is what we're expecting. Saturday night into Sunday, we remain calm, we remain quiet, pretty much looking good Saturday night into early Sunday morning. We might have another bout of some mountain snow Sunday afternoon, but it doesn't look like it's going to be very impactful, just some pretty much mountain snow flurries at the least. 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, we're still just the slightest little chance of being below average, and precipitation is going to be slightly on the rise. We are looking at a warm-up for the first few days of February. Stay up to date with us.